How's it going, everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be working on SQLZOO again. We're going to be doing the portion of questions that's called Select from Nobel. Let's scroll down and see what it says. We're continuing to practice simple SQL queries on a single table. This tutorial is concerned with a table of Nobel Prize winners. We can see our table is labeled Nobel, and our columns are year, subject, and winner using the select statement. So let's come down here and let's take care of this and see. It says change the query shown so that it displays Nobel Prizes for the year 1950. Well, if it wants us to display all the information, we know we can just say select all from Nobel where year equals 1950. And we can see these are all the winners, the related subject within the year 1950. Let's scroll down. 1962 literature. It says show who won the 1962 prize for literature. Say select winner, because the winner is going to be the name of the column, who's going to give us the who. From Nobel, where year equals 1962 and subject equals literature. And remember, strings have to be in quotes, but numbers do not. And we can see that John Steinbeck was the winner. Let's come down to question number 3. It says show the year and subject that won Albert Einstein his prize. So we say select year and subject from Nobel where winner equals Albert Einstein. We can see that the correct answer is 1921, subject in physics. Let's go down to question number 4. Give the name of the peace winners since the year 2000, including 2000. So we need the names. We say select winner from Nobel where subject equals peace and year. Now pay attention to this. It says winners since the year 2000, including 2000. So imagine if we're in 2024 now. 2024 is greater than 2000, so we say year greater than or equal to, because it says include the year 2000. Let's write it and see. Correct answer. And these are all the names of the winners who won a Nobel Peace Prize since the year 2000. Let's come down to question number 5. It says literature in the 1980s. Show all the details of literature prize winners for 1980 to 1989, inclusive. So the way we can do this is select all from Nobel where year between 1980 and 1989. Let's make sure we haven't missed anything. Yes, and also we need it to be for subject in literature, and subject equals literature. Let's run it and make sure we're good. Correct answer. Here we go. These are all the winners for literature between 1980 to 1989. Let's go down to question number 6. It says only presidents. Show all the details for presidential winners. Now, one thing I will tell you in advance is if you try to copy, for some reason, I don't know why on this website, Thomas Woodrow Wilson, it's going to give you an error. It's an issue that the website has. You want to put Woodrow Wilson in this and not include the first name Thomas. So what we will do is we will say show all details. So select all from Nobel where name in. Remember from the other lessons and tutorials that we had, if we want multiple values, multiple string values, we use the in constraint. so single quotes, Theodore Roosevelt, comma, Woodrow Wilson, Jimmy Carter, Barack Obama. Let's run that and see if we did it right. And we got an error. Let's see. Says show all the details of the presidential winners. Okay, let's take a look and see what we did wrong. We forgot a quote right here. Okay. Unknown column name. Okay, see, this is where I got it wrong. Where winner in, not name, because the column is labeled winner. I'm thinking of another table from another lesson. Here we go. We got the correct answer. So it's kind of good to show you guys even the simple mistakes that someone who's done this before can make. A lot of times when you're doing these, you forget the name of a column, or you use another column from another table that you were working with. You put the name of a table that isn't this table, and you're sitting here looking at your SQL code asking yourself, what's going on? What am I doing wrong? But as one of my professors told me, 99% of the time, if you just look at your query, it's a simple mistake that you've made, a little error in punctuation, grammar, structuring of your query, and you should be just fine. Let's go down to question number 7. It says, show the winners with the first name John. So select winner from Nobel where. Now for this one, we're not going to use in. We're going to use, remember, like. Winner like John. And because it's a first name, we're going to put the percentage sign after. Here we go. Oops. Let's go down to question number 8. It says show the year, subject, and name. Select all from Nobel where. We need the physics winners for 1980 with the chemistry winners for 1984. So you ask yourself, whoa, how do I do this? Very simple. All you need to use is parentheses, guys. Parentheses, just like that. Or, parentheses. That's how you're going to separate them. So you're going to say subject equals physics and year equals 1980, or subject equals chemistry and year equals 1984. And let's run that. Oh, we got an error. Let's see. Line 3. Let's see what we did wrong. Okay, I think I know what we did wrong. So I think for this question, we can't say select all because it's asking to put year before subject and winner. So we're going to say year, comma, subject, and winner. Let's see. Oops. Line 3. Okay, where subject equals physics for the year oh, we see, there we go. We forgot our equal sign. There we go. Simple mistake. Here we go. And there you can see our correct answer right there. Let's go down to question number 9. Exclude chemists and medics. Show the year, subject, and name of winners for 1980, excluding chemistry and medicine. So we say select year, subject, winner from Nobel. Where year equals 1980 and subject not in chemistry or medicine. Let's see if we did it correctly. And there you have it. So the way this works is, we know that we want to see the year, the subject, and the winner columns from the Nobel table. Specifically for the year 1980, we want to see all the information for 1980, but we want our results to exclude chemistry and medicine. The subject's chemistry and medicine. The way we do that is we say year equals 1980 and subject not in parentheses, single quotes chemistry, comma, medicine, and single quotes again as well. Let's go to question number 10. It says early medicine, late literature. Show year, subject, and name. Select year, subject, and winner. They try to trick you with the name, but remember it's winner. From Nobel. Of people who won a medicine prize in an early year, meaning before 1910, but not including 1910, okay? Together with the winners of a literature prize in the later year after 2004, but we want to include 2004. So this gets a little bit messy, but we'll break it down step by step, and you'll see it's very easy as long as you know what to put in your query. So select year, subject, and winner from Nobel, where, we'll say in parentheses, subject equals medicine and year less than 1910. And we're not including 1910. Then you say or, parentheses again, subject equals literature and year is greater than or equal to, because we want to include 2004. And the reason we say greater than is because, remember, if we're going 2004, 5, 6, 7, 8, the number is becoming greater. So we use the greater than sign. Greater than or equal to 2004. Now let's run that and see if we got it right. There you go. And you can see all the information that were requested. We're not going to do the Nobel quiz. We're going to do this in a separate video. We're going to go down to harder questions. These are not harder questions, guys. I know you can do it. I'm going to explain to you what these questions do, what they don't do. So question number 11 says, find all the details for the prize won by Peter Grunberg. Now the point of this is for you to know how to put in a special character. So you can see that the U here has the 2 dots on top of it. Well, on a Mac keyboard, there's a shortcut for it. I'm not sure what it is for Windows computers, but you'll say select all from Nobel, where winner equals Peter Grunberg. So on a Mac, you press the Option key, and then you press U, and then you press U by itself again to get that answer. There you go. Now for apostrophe. Now, as we said earlier, you're going to want to put strings in single quotes. Well, what happens if you have a name with an apostrophe in it? Then what do you do? Well, what you do is then you want to wrap it in double quotes. So select all from Nobel, where winner equals double quotes Eugene O'Neill. Oh, just like that. Question number 13, it says list the winners, year, and subject. So select winner, year, subject from Nobel, where the winner starts with Sir. So we say where winner like Sir. Show the most recent first, then by name order. So what that means is show the most recent first. It's saying give me the information, but the ordering of it, I want to see it by the most recent year, ordered by that. Then secondarily, after by year, I want it ordered by the name alphabetically, which is going to be ascending. So what we're going to do, we got this correct. Now we're going to say order by year descending, because if we want to start with the highest value in our years, that would be, let's say for example 2024, descending meaning going down, it's gonna show us our results from the highest value. Well, the highest value of our year is going to be the most recent year. And then you just simply put a comma, then you say winner ascending, meaning in alphabetical order. If you're going from lowest to highest, well, the lowest value is going to be the letter A, starting with A and then going all the way to Z. So let's run it and see. Beautiful. So look, our order by descending, as you can see, 2007, it goes all the way down. And then let's imagine that you have a winner. Let's imagine you have multiple winners for the same subject in the same year. The secondary order by is going to then order those two values, like if these were both 2007, by the name. So Sir Martin would be before Sir Peter, because M is going to come before P, because, and if you're wondering why we're starting here and not here, well, because SIR, they're both equal. So you keep going down the line, next character, until you reach a point where there's a difference in their name. Could be the first letter, could be the fourth letter, could be the 10th letter. And if we can see it right here is where we have a difference, M is going to come before P. So I hope that makes sense. I hope I didn't confuse you, but let's go on to the next question. They've provided a video here. It's a little bit old, but I'm still going to go ahead and tell you how to do this. It says the expression subject in quotes, in parentheses, chemistry and fit can be used as a value, 0 or 1. So it says show the 1984 winners and subjects. Okay, so we say select winner, comma, subject from Nobel, where year, we know that the year is 1984, and let's see, show the 1984 winners and subject. Okay, so that's all we need to filter for. Now we just need to focus on our order by. It says show the 1984 winners and subject ordered by subject and winner name. So we say order by subject, comma, winner, but list chemistry and physics last. So this is where this is going to come in. And just as a little quick side note, when you're doing something like this, when you're using an expression like this in your order by, you want to place it before your original order by, which here says ordered by subject and winner name, meaning, let me show it to you. So we say ordered by so we say ordered by subject in parentheses chemistry, comma, physics, comma, then we put another comma. And what that's going to do is that's going to put into consideration before the original order by that we want to list chemistry and physics last. We want to tell the engine, hey, list chemistry and physics last regardless of this. So let's run it, and here we go. See? And that's the last question. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, please write them in the comments. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, please subscribe. I'm going to have a lot of videos coming up in the future. We're going to finish this SQLZOO tutorial. Then we will move on to LeetCode. Code. After that, we're going to do many different projects and analytics. We're going to do Python projects, R projects, SQL projects. We're going to do visualization projects in Tableau, Power BI, and many other visualization platforms that maybe you haven't even heard of yet. So I'm looking forward to helping you in the future. Have a great day.